Morning, you guys.
It's snowing. What the heck, man?
We're going to have breakfast with my parents. What should I say? We made it, my dad's not here. We're here, we made it to my parents' house and Mom's driving. Hey, Mom.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What'd you get?
I got blueberry lemon zest pancakes. They smell awesome.
We were here once before to look at dishwashers, and we're making the dishwasher purchase today, which is exciting. I think this is the one we're getting right here.
I'm excited.
So we're looking for a miter box and a saw, and the gentleman here, this guy, told us it was the best deal in the building and walked us over. Miter box and saw, 50 cents. All right. Thank you so much. Can you believe it?
No.
So the plan is I need air in all 4 of these tires. We drove all the way to Pennsylvania on this tire, by the way, is not flat, but it's only at 12 pounds. Made it to Miyuki. I'm really happy I got the tires up to spec now. We drove all the way to Pennsylvania and one of those tires was really low. And that's my fault. Steph and Mom are here. Hey guys.
Hi. I was just assessing which paintings I need to have frames for put on and talking about boxes and packaging and all that glamorous, exciting stuff.
I realize also that I need to go to the bank still today to withdraw the money to pay for the Prius tomorrow. And what time do the banks close? 3 or 4?
Could be
3 o'clock, right? I stepped out to go to the bank. I wasn't planning on leaving the house anymore today, but gotta pay for the Prius somehow. Okay. I just love when everything is hassle-free. Not going to get into it, but our banking situation is a little bit more complicated because we set it up to transfer from Korea without any fees, and so we're more set up for that than we are to live here. I don't even have a debit card for any bank I have here, which is why I had to come here. But we're good. Careful. Where are you going with that? To the attic?
Yep.
Don't you want me to carry that?
I got it.
Go easy, please. Don't hurt yourself. She does look cute carrying that thing, doesn't she? Mom made it back and brought goodies. What did you bring?
Not goodies to eat.
Yeah, but this is really important stuff for us.
There's a planer that you can use for the top of your doors.
Oh, and look. Oh.
I'm not sure how sharp it is, but I found it, so you can try it and see if it's something you can use.
Oh, and we need this tape. This is a
25 foot.
Oh my, it's huge.
So that's good. You can use that.
Yeah.
I found a hand sander.
Oh, I think I've used this when I was a kid.
You probably did. So I brought an extra piece just so you could see how it works.
He doesn't use any of this stuff anymore, does he?
Not anything. We don't use anything. We're done doing stuff to our house. So you fit this on the...
I'm just making sure because I don't want to take all their stuff, but he's not really using much of it anymore.
So you fit that on there, you open it up, and then you lock it in place, and then you can sand on the wall. This will be a lot easier than using the sandpaper. This happens to be a fine piece, but you know, I brought what I had, so.
And this is the other staple gun.
It's all loaded.
They actually...
Careful, don't point it towards your head.
You almost,
I'm not going to staple my face. They actually were... There's another staple gun upstairs, but the staples were the wrong size. So which size staples were...
These are the 9/16 that your father loaded in. And they appear to be the right size that you need.
What's this? Costco.
You know what that is?
That's a coffee pot! Maggie, we got a coffee pot! We got a coffee pot! Come on, let's check it out. Come on. Maggie girl. Maggie girl. Maggie. Make sure that she can't get out. I'm super excited. Oh, instructions. Help. Dankeschön, baby, dankeschön. How does this come out? I don't want to bust anything.
I think you gotta just cut the plastic, maybe?
Maybe.
Yeah, it's still attached.
That probably will help. We're checking it out. Trying to figure out how does this thing work?
This is your Look at your little basket. Nice.
She loves it. She loves box. Maki is in box love.
It's dinner party time. First dinner party with a guest here at Miyuki. Is that right?
I think so, unless you called pizza with your buddy the other night.
All right, so what do we got?
Is that hot?
Oh. So some chicken.
Chicken and veggies.
Chicken and veggies. All right. And, oh, we're having like Mexican.
Mom's homemade salsa.
Tortillas. We're having some wine I bought earlier from South Africa, I think. Okay, so we finished dinner. It's about 7:15 in the evening, and Mom insists on making herself useful. Told you we have plenty to do here. So what we've decided on, which shouldn't take that long if we stick with it, is to just put the second coat on these, and then we'll be completely done. I'll do one and you'll do one, and then we'll be done.
Is it a race?
Quality over quantity.
Oh, okay.
Now
you post that photo to Instagram?
I did.
Let me see it.
With a little help.
Oh, nice. It should be unlocked.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. All right, it's unlocked now.
All right. Love you.
Love you too. Bye.
Bye, guys.
We're going through old, expensive dresses. I don't know. How would you describe what is that?
Old dresses. This is one that I wore when I was a bridesmaid for one of my roommates' weddings.
It's pretty.
Thank you. That marriage didn't last, but the dress did.
You gonna show me another one? Ooh, baby, baby. Hubba, hubba.
This one,
Wow. Flashy.
my mom and I actually made.
Oh.
And this was my senior prom dress.
You guys were FaceTiming with Steph's sister and the newest member of the family, Maddie. Oh, she's so cute.
Look at her.
Oh, she's awake too. How you doing, Charles?
I'm doing good. Yeah, I'm doing really good. Up and around.
Wow, nice.
I do everything I did before.
She looks cute.
Not on any more pain meds or anything.
Awesome.
Yep.
We're really glad you're doing well. Everyone's doing well.
Thank you.
So you leave tomorrow?
Yeah.
We still have to pack 3 paintings tonight, even though we're both tired and ready to go to bed. To check the shipping price tomorrow, this one, and then this one along with another one upstairs. And then that one.
Do we have to check the shipping price of this one?
Oh, and that one too. Oh. 4.
I'm just tired.
4 different packages. Oh my god, what am I doing?
You're sitting on scissors.
Tomorrow is a big day also. We pick up the Prius. Actually, it's being delivered. Pick it up. We pay for it, and I'm so excited for a new car. What about you?
I'm super excited for the Prius. Like, yay! To be able to drive again. To go places.
You're gonna have a car.
I'm so excited.
You guys fist bump that like button, and thanks for watching. That's it. We're out of here today. Hasta luego.
Bye.
If you saw yesterday's vlog at the end, we stopped the video right when Stephanie was gonna start painting.